What if every issue you faced was resolved anytime, effortlessly? FS After Sales Remote Scenario Replication Testing Service swiftly identifies and provides solutions to the issues by simulating the customer's actual usage environment. Our expert team will respond to your product and solution issues within 12 hours, ensuring quick resolution. Then customize the scenario remote testing based on your existing equipment resources, ensuring alignment with your business requirements. After testing, we'll provide a professional test report and clear solutions. Our after-sales remote testing service is designed to help you resolve issues quickly and ensure your business continuity. For any specific needs, contact us to get support.